So I just made this landing gear to actually float in water. It's DIY, do it yourself kind of thing. But anyway, I've actually tested it an indoor, and now I'm gonna go ahead and try it out in outdoor in the real environment. And it's actually extremely windy with lots of gust. And I'm gonna go and check it out and go from here.
See, look at that. So whoever make a company,
so do not attempt to do this. I'm actually know what I'm doing here, and I did some kind of test on this. So
let's go try it on real life. You can see here. Take off. So it does, you can see here, it does move around, and you're just telling you caution. So let's go ahead. So you can see it's flying. Look at that. It's taking some video. Wow. And would it land? And so we'll land. Woohoo! So we land on water, guys. Look at that. And let's go ahead and go a quick takeoff. Uh-oh.
So sometimes drone does this, DJI does this if you fly on water or anything else, and you can have a panic mode. Sometimes your drone will not fly. So it's really important that you really know what you're doing. So I know what I'm doing here.
Okay.
In certain areas, you guys like a firmware update or anything like that, or just making sure you know exactly what you're doing. Because I'm pretty much myself here.
So like I said, you gotta do that.
You can see here, I'm actually trying to fix it myself. What's going on?
I can take off again, and then land it. And it does move around, but it does save you. So if you have a kayak or a surfboard, look at that. So you can still fly it around. Woohoo! So you can. It does windy a little bit, see? But it still flies. So it's enough for you to, you know, it's strong wind, guys. It's really strong wind right now. It's really extremely windy. And you can see here on my, so I'm gonna go ahead and land it up. But you can see, it's still trying. And let's go ahead. And we're gonna go ahead and go land again one more time for you guys. And I'm doing this in extreme wind. You just gotta know what direction, you just gotta know what direction kind of wind you're going. So you gotta make sure, you know. And here you go. It's gust. And here you go. And it landed. See, I just do it right here because it's, you know, it's just the wind. But like I said, it can help you out. So you don't have to worry about crashing your drone, or you know, in the water. So again, one more time. And here you go. And it flies. There you go, guys. Woohoo! Yeah, it's windy. Look at the wind. All right. Ah! It's windy. So we did it. That was a test. Here we go from here. That was fun, huh? Did you enjoy it? Oh my goodness, my little daughter enjoyed it. She loves flying drones. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Woohoo!